we're going to try to get this up in here and get the wire to the inside. Usually we can get it up through here. We're going to find out if this one's actually open or not. I want to say it is. I'm going to try to get it up there. So let's see if we can. Okay, we got that up there real easy. The owner was in there and he said he saw it and he grabbed it and pulled it in. So now I'm going to go in there and put an end on it, put the router in there, and then work backwards from there to here and put the box up, put the antenna. And the CPE and AP has to connect to tower right there. So let's do this. Well, we got the wire to come in right here, which is nice, and he didn't even bump it out, so it was all wide open. So now I got to do is get all the dog hair out of the way. And yeah, got a little bit. Yes, sheds a little bit. And now we're going to put an end on the cable and set the router, and then go outside, put the pole up, point it, program it, activate their account, and then they should be ready to go. All right, kind of congested here of a lot of stuff here, but I figured I'd put it up here. Got plenty of room and it will open up. We're gonna find out and see. Take the lock off of it. I'm thinking putting the pole probably right on the other side here. Got plenty of room. Don't want to get in the way of the spigot. So I could probably put it right on the left side of it, come up right behind this, and I should be fine. Figure that out when I get there, because I sure can't put it on this side. But let's see if this actually will open up and not hit the pole of the 4x4 here. That's the main thing. Will it open with no problem? And it will open up enough for me to work on whatever I need to work on, because that's all it's going to be in it. It's right there. Even with the air cube in there, it still works. So let's attach this. Alright, I decided to put up here just to get away from the 4x4 there. It is going to make it a little difficult to getting this open, but I can get my finger back there good enough to open it up. So, and I got plenty of cord to take it and actually, yeah, hey, look at here what we find. A nice little buddy in there. He's in my way. So let's see if we can get rid of him, and so I can plug something in. Alright, we got a plug here. It looks like it's got moisture and everything else on here, and I pushed the test button. It will not test, and the light's not on it. And I push the reset and I get nothing. I get nothing either. But when I plug it in and I check the PoE, it's lit up. So it may not do what it's supposed to do, but it's got at least power, so I can get them internet. All right, we got the pole up, got the CPE on it. Now we just got to attach the wire here and cut around and get it into the box and plug it in, and then we got to run this wire over and attach it and plug it in and get it all to work. So let's see if we can get that point done. It's going together real well. Okay, we got the land side and we got the PoE, and it should be up online. Now we go inside and check the router and be sure it's got internet, and if it does, then we can come out here and close this up, and that should do it. But they got some heavy coax cable down here, and they got a whole pile of it just sitting down here, all sitting in the ground. There's some heavy stuff. It's I don't know what size this thing is. I mean, it's some major, like a main feed, but they're just sitting there. Oh well. Well, I think everything should be working, so I'm going to go ahead and lock this up, and that way I can put all the tools up and just get my laptop, get all this dog hair off my hand and everything. Goodness. Lock this up. We should be good. So let's take everything back, and I think everything should be up and running. All right, now we get laptop, and RV's over there. Should be able to reach it from here. see if we can log into it, program, and activate account. Well, I gotta sit here and activate their account and all, but while I sit here, I'm going to admire the view. Life is hard, but somebody's got to do it. So let's get him activated and get out of here so I can get me more coffee